Nice job. Kenna?
No.
Solve this.
Fine. I can do it.
Okay. So, do you know how to solve a 2x2?
Yeah.
Explain.
Just pretty much solve it. Why do you look like that? That's actually embarrassing.
Oh, man. Look at this. It's a balloon. I should tell jokes while you're being stupid. Why did the clown go to the dentist? To get his teeth cleaned. Please laugh. Please laugh.
It's not funny.
Please. Oh, I should really... Can I hold the cube closer to your face? Okay, don't block your face.
Why?
Because the camera... Okay, you know what? Sure, you can look like a movie nerd. So do you know what you're doing? Explain.
Getting the blocks where they're supposed to be. Am I wrong?
I mean, yeah, that's what you do, I guess.
Okay, so I have the yellows.
You have the what?
Yellows.
Get your dogs off my computer.
You don't know how to use dogs, do you?
Dogs are feet.
No, like you don't use it correctly. You don't use the term correctly.
How do you use dogs? Mackenna doesn't want to explain how to use dogs correctly.
No, I really don't.
That's because she's a massive nerd emoji.
I'm done.
You solved it. You look so focused. Did you figure it out? No, you didn't. No, that's not. Aww. You thought it was so cool. I really like this zoom up of your crying face.
I like you. See, this is why nobody loves you, Logan.
Everyone loves me.
I did it.
You did it?
No,
No, let me solve it.
No.
Hold the camera.
No, that's not fun.
What? I haven't done this in a while, so I'll see if I can still remember it, but I should be better than Mackenna. Are you just like looking away from me? What you doing there, sweetie? You're not, Kenna, you're just getting skin. You're not getting anything. Okay, you can barely see an eye. Okay, so I got it to this step. I don't remember what I do from here. I definitely messed it up. That is definitely... Get out of that! Why were you trying to show... I completely forgot how to do it.
Idiot. I just solved it. Watch it in. Hey, where'd it go? Can you grab it?
Hey, where'd it go?
Ow!
Aww.
You messed it up!
Yeah. You look so stressed.
The other blue!
Do that again.
No.
Please. What the hell is that face? Now turn it over. Mackenna solved it! Oh, you turned it over. You ruined it.
You ruined it. Mackenna turned it. Mackenna stopped it. Mackenna did it.
Shut up. Yeah, I'll grab it.
Mackenna stopped it. Mackenna did it.
Mackenna's like if you're like the mean girls from Mean Girls in real life.
You're like Mean Girls from.
Ooh, I'm turning up the brightness. You're getting brighter. You're brighter than the sun.
Pretty racist.
No, I'm turning down the darkness. Oh man, you literally can't see anything. Jesus Christ. Like,
Look.
okay, wait. Oh, she did it.
Mhm.
You solved it. Good job. We can end the video.